Good morning. Sunday, it's the 5th. We had a terrible night of sleep. Just absolutely wretched. It's been 2 weeks since Melody was born, and in that time I've not gone to the gym once. So 2 weeks is my maximum on not going, so I feel terrible, but I just had some oatmeal, and so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do it, because that's what we do. Oh hey, good morning. I always pause so awkwardly. Oh no! Gotta put gas in the tank. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 25 bucks for a full tank of gas is not bad at all. I love this car. So all in all, pretty excited about this day. I really wasn't feeling like going to the gym, but actually now I'm actually kind of excited to get in there again. It's been quite some time, and when I say quite some time, I mean at least 2 weeks. So I'm excited to start off my day like this again. I haven't had much morning routine. Kind of getting back into the realm of having a schedule and having a routine and getting things done consistently, on a daily basis. Things like that is really good. I need routine in my life, not because I'm like OCD or anything like that, or I'm really like type A. I'm actually not, but because I'm so scatterbrained and because I lose focus really quickly, it's good for me to force myself to have routine so that I can actually get things done. Stoked about the gym. Today I'm gonna work on music. We're gonna clean the house. We're gonna have a grand old time. It's gonna be good. Take it easy. How's it going? The music in here is really terrible, and so that's important. That's why it's important to bring your own headphones. But there's like nobody here this morning. I'm really excited about that. Dang. Not being in the gym or doing anything like that for a couple weeks. Yeah. Plus it's like already 80 degrees outside and it's like 8:30. Okay. Here's the thing. A while back, I bought this. This is a 7-port USB hub that runs USB 3.0. It is powered right here. I plug external hard drives into this thing. I plug USB interfaces, iPhone, everything. So like a month or two ago, I redid a bunch of stuff in my office, and as I was doing that, I attached this to the bottom of the desk to clean it up, make it a little bit more out of the way, and it just started like not working correctly. Something about this wasn't functioning. Every time I would have more than 2 hard drives plugged in, it just wouldn't work. It would slow down. Things from my computer would just go crazy, and I just could not understand why the heck all of my hard drives weren't working, and it was just everything USB was going nuts. So today I'm sitting there thinking about it, and I'm like, this is a powered USB hub. I wonder if I plugged it back in after I did everything with my desk. Turns out I did not. Everything that was plugged into this hub was pulling power directly from my laptop. The problem is, I can't find the power cable for this. I can't find the power supply. So I'm at Radio Shack, headed into Radio Shack right now, to see if either they have a replacement for this, or if I'm just gonna have to buy a whole new USB hub. Okay, so I have a question. So I have this USB hub here. That's 12 volt, 3 amp. So I'm wondering if I should get a whole new adapter for it, or if I should just buy a whole new hub.
Buy a whole new hub. So, do you not know the amperage on this?
It just said 3. Sweet. Cool, thanks man, appreciate
No problem. Take it easy.
You too, thank you. Alright, so it looks like Radio Shack is not the one for me, but I'm gonna head to Staples, which I totally forgot existed, and see if they either have a replacement USB hub or something that's gonna fit. All right, we'll see.
What can we have you find?
USB hub.
Right there.
Yeah, no. So no go at Staples because they only have a 4-port USB hub for 60 bucks. No. So there's no luck with the USB stuff, and I looked around a little bit more and I could not find the power supply, so I'm gonna have to buy a new USB hub. On the bright side, last week I finally ordered something that's gonna really help, I think, with the audio, and in fact I'm about to edit yesterday's vlog, which I should have edited last night, but whatever. I went on Amazon and bought some of these. So you've got these little wind muffs right here, right? So nice. And then you got this little piece of adhesive. These little, they come in like little circlets. See that? Little circlets. And then what you do is you put the little circlet adhesive stuff on the back of it, and then you put it on top of your camera where the microphone holes are. So there's my camera. So you can see right here, it's got these two little like ears, almost looks like. And they're right over the two camera holes on the left and the right. And it helps with the wind stuff. So now, if I'm taking video outside, should be A-okay. What are we making in here? Rylan, what are we making? We have slaved all day and all night to make some someday let's actually go to India and have real Indian food.
I agree.
Can I love enjoying and attempting to make, but mostly enjoying foods from other cultures and stuff like that. So we love Indian food, or at least as we know it here in America. And so someday though, India, we're coming for you. So I just finished uploading the vlog that we did yesterday when we were in Santa Barbara. Went to the zoo. And usually vlog edits take me like an hour and a half. We got back, loaded up the footage, and there was like over an hour's worth of footage from the whole day. It took me about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours to edit. Ooh, so fancy. Jeez. Delicious.
What I can say is the water range fair should take place. Like Butch Cassidy in the Senate. Except don't leave him this time.
Hey, Walt.
You wanna go lie down on the couch, buddy?
I thought you were gonna go to a game of tennis.
So young. Oh my gosh, this child.
Oh my gosh, she looks cute.
A much simpler day than yesterday was, that's for sure. But still a good beginning of the week. Happy Sunday. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And I'll see you tomorrow.